Hi everyone, my name is Cheyenne and I'm the creator of the Wholeness Shop. This channel was a happy accident born from my desire to make beading more accessible to those who want to learn. It quickly grew into a passion for me, and so I'm so excited to continue sharing more tutorials, patterns, templates, and more in the coming years. I thought it was about time to share a little bit about me. So again, my name is Cheyenne and I was born and raised in San Francisco, and I'm currently in the process of moving to the Forest of Dean in the United Kingdom, where my husband is from. I've been needle crafting ever since my great-grandma taught me how to sew when I was about 7 years old, and it's always been the most tedious crafts that have been the most meditative and enjoyable for me. Think king-sized crocheted blanket. I was really lucky to learn how to bead from my mom during the pandemic, just before she lost a lot of her eyesight. We were sorting through some of my great-grandma's old jewelry after she passed away, and I found these beautiful fringe earrings. I thought she'd gotten them from New Mexico, but my mom said, no, I made those when I was pregnant with you. And I couldn't believe it because I'd never seen any bead weaving that my mom had done. I always knew she was obsessed with beads, but I'd never seen anything like this that she had created, so I begged her to teach me. My whole life I always craved a connection with my Indigenous heritage, and finally I'm part of a supportive community of others reclaiming our culture. Now every beaded piece I make, I dedicate to my mom for sharing this incredibly healing gift with me. I welcome anyone who wants to learn to pick up some beads, pick up a needle, turn on one of my tutorials, and create something beautiful. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy beading.